Ready.
Ready. Okay. So can you see something on your screen now? Can you see something on your screen? Okay, so we will be talking about what are under the sea. Okay? Okay. All right. Let's begin. Okay. So I will play this one. I want you to tell me what I am. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, so let's start now. So what am I looking at? So I will play this one and I will let you tell me what is this, okay? All right, this one, what is this?
Um,
What is this?
Fish.
Okay, that is a fish. Or we usually call this one as an angel fish. Angel fish. Okay. Angel fish are very intelligent. Intelligent creature that can recognize their owner. Okay. Remember that. Angelfish is a very intelligent fish under the sea. Okay, next one. Okay, this one. What do you think is this one?
New fish.
Huh? This is, it is also a fish, but we call this as a clownfish. Clownfish. Okay. Or also known as anemone fish. Clownfish. Okay, next one. Okay, ani alay na?
Whale.
Whale?
Yes.
What do you think?
Whale.
Is this a whale? Diver. Diver แปลว่าอะไร
นักดำน้
Diver แปลว่า these are people who dive into the sea. Okay? Alright, next one is, what do you think is this thing?
ำ Cap.
This is
Cap.
crab. Crab. Okay. So crab, it says here that crab has 10 legs. Okay. Crab. Oh, but only first pair of each or each claws, which are called as chalet. Chalet. Any? Chalet. Okay, we call this pair as chalet, right? So crab has 10 legs. Okay, all right. Next, What do you think is this thing?
Mm,
What is that? Ow.
mm,
I'll play it again. This is a... What is this? Is this a fish? What do you think is that?
um, mm,
Is this a whale? Shark? Fish? Alina?
Shark.
Shark? Okay, let us see. Ah, what do you call this thing? It is a dolphin. Okay, dolphin. Yes, this is a dolphin. All right. Dolphin do not drink water. They only drink water when they eat another fish. Okay? They are not drinking water. Okay, Mai?
Okay.
Okay. Next one is what is that? That is, ani Alina? Hermit crab. Have you seen an hermit crab? Hermit crab has shells. Have you seen this thing? Not yet. Mm-hmm. Have you seen a hermit crab already? Hello? Hello? Can you still hear me? Jump? Are you still there?
Mm,
Yes? Can you still hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
no.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
You hear me?
You can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's think. Okay, what is this? Again, what is this? Hello? Hi. Jump? Are you sleeping?
Mm,
Are you sleeping?
no.
Are you sleeping na?
No.
No, but you are not answering me. Can you see something on your screen? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So what is this? This is a... Where are you? I cannot see you. I cannot see you na.
แอมคุณครูเขาเรียก โอ้ย sorry teacher
It's already
Damn.
sleeping na.
จำเร็วๆ he's sleeping
Yeah.
โอ้ no จำลุกเร็วๆ sorry teacher
It's okay ค่ะ เอา
จำเร็วจำหลับไม่ได้ลูกเอาทำดีๆครับแป๊บเดียว
นี่มันเยอะเกินไป
แป๊บเดียวไม่ดีไม่ทำอย่างนี้ หลับเฉยเลยโอ้โหเอ๊ะเลยดิ
Do you still want to listen to teacher?
sorry teacher
Hmm? Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so this is อันนี้อะไรนะ
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Do you know jellyfish?
แมงกะพรุน
Uh-huh. Where can we see jellyfish? In the... Where can we see a jellyfish? In the ocean. In the sea ใช่ไหม Yes. Okay. How about this one? What do you think is this?
Octopus.
Octopus. Okay, let us see. All right, very good. So octopus, I have, what do you call this? I have a question for you now. Do octopus has bones? What do you think? Do they have bones like us? Do they have bones?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but an octopus, they only have one only hard structure in an octopus body, which look like a parrot beak. Big แปลว่า big แปลว่า the lips of a bird. Do you know that? Okay, but they don't have an exact bone. Okay, not like us human. Okay, they only have one hard structure on their body, but not that like the bone that we have. Okay, next one. Okay, this is
เดี๋ยวให้เรียน2 ชั่วโมงนี่ตัวอะไร
what do you think is this? What do you think is this? Is this a fish? Ah, okay. This is also a kind of fish. It
Oh, fish.
is puffer fish. Puffer fish. Okay. Puffer fish. Okay, next one.
Turtle.
เสียงดิ
How about this
Turtle.
one? Turtle. Turtle. Okay. This is a sea turtle. Sea turtle. Okay. Next one. How about this one?
Eagle.
Seahorse. Seahorse. Let us see. All right. Very good. It is a seahorse. Okay. Next one. How about this one? What is this?
Shark.
This is a shark. Let us see. Oh, okay. You are correct. This is a shark. Okay. Next one is, what do you think is this?
King
This-
crab.
This is a, uh-huh. This is a, it
Starfish.
looks like, yes, it is a starfish. Okay. So starfish, it says here that starfish do not have a brain. Okay. They also do not have blood. Okay, Mai? This one. All right, starfish do not have a brain. They also do not have a blood like other animals. All right? Okay, remember that. All right. Another. How about this one?
Whale.
Mm-hmm.
Whale.
Whale. Okay, let us see. Ah, very good. This is a whale. So the blue whale is the largest animal. Largest animal that had lived on Earth. This is the largest animal. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next is, all right, so there are lots of animals that live in the ocean. Okay, like fish, crab, crab pewa alay na.
Boo.
Mm-hmm. Do you eat crab? Do you eat crab? Yes. Okay. How about fish? Do you eat fish?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about shark? Do you eat shark? No.
ช้างปลาฉลามช้าง
ก็ไอเหงือกมันเหงือก
หูฉลาม
หูฉลามเอียชาร์ก
Do you eat shark?
Yes.
Shark. Do you eat shark?
Yes.
Oh.
Ear.
Uh-huh. How about this one? This thing is, or this animal is living in the ocean. We call this as stingray. Stingray. Yes. How about this one? It is a dolphin. Have you seen a dolphin already? Dolphin. Have you seen a dolphin already?
No.
Not yet. How about a whale? Have you seen whales?
No.
No? Okay. Wait. Seahorse. Have you seen a seahorse?
Yes.
Yes. Where?
ไม่เห็นเลย
Where have you seen a seahorse? In
Zoo.
the zoo. Oh, really? How about the starfish? Have you seen a starfish?
No.
Not yet. Okay. How about octopus? Have you
Have.
seen? You have seen an octopus already. Another question. Do you eat octopus
Market.
in the market? Wow, very good. How about this one? Sea turtle.
Market.
No. อ๋อปล่อยเขาอะ
Do you have sea turtles in the market? Okay. All right. So today, the animals are hiding in the ocean. Can you spot them? Spot pewa. I want you to identify what animals are hiding in the ocean. Okay? Okay, Mike?
Okay.
We are going to dive under the sea. I just want you to tell me which animal is hiding behind the bubble. Okay? Let's start. All right. So the question is, who is hiding? What is
Still
this?
okay.
Stingray. Okay. Very good.
นี่ไง
Next one. Who is hiding?
Turtle.
Sea turtle. Okay. Very good. It's a turtle or sea turtle. Next one. What do you think is this?
The starfish.
Starfish. Very good. Okay, only starfish is hiding behind the bubble. All right. How about this one? What do you think is this?
Fish.
It is a fish. Very good. What is the color of the fish?
Fish.
Okay, next.
Dolphin. It is a dolphin.
It is a whale. It is a whale. Okay. All right, next one. What is this?
Horse. Seahorse.
Seahorse. Let us see. All right, very good. How about this? Next, what is this?
The crab.
It is a crab. Okay. Again, crab has 10 legs. Okay. They have 10 legs. Okay. How about next one? What is this?
Dolphin. Shark.
Dolphin. What is your final answer? It is a dolphin or a shark?
It is a shark.
Uh-huh. Let us see. Wow,
shark.
very good. It is a shark. Next one. What is this?
It is the octopus.
Octopus. Very good. Okay. How about this one?
It is a dolphin.
Dolphin. Let us see. Okay. All right. Can you still remember the names of the sea creature?
Fish.
This is a fish. Very good.
Fish.
How about this
Crab.
one? Crab. Uh-huh. Sorry. Whale. Sorry, this one.
Whale.
And this is a whale. All right. Next.
Crab.
Crab.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Shark.
Shark.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Stingray.
Stingray.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Dolphin.
Dolphin and
Turtle.
turtle. Okay, I have another question here for you now. All right, so where does these things or animals live? Where do they live? Where do they live? These, where do fish, whale, crab, seahorse live? Where can we
ocean.
in the ocean? Okay. Very good. Do you want to ask me some question? Mm-hmm. Do you want to ask
Sea.
me? Yes?
Sea.
Okay, so those animals are living in the sea. Now, let's go to the space. Space pewa alina?
Space.
Space. Space in the sky. Right? Let's talk about space. What can we see in the space? Usually, we can see the moon, the stars, planets, and the sun. Okay? The sun is a star. It is a giant star. Do you know sun?
Yes.
Yes. Have you seen a star? Have you seen a sun? Have you seen the sun? Where is the sun? Where is the sun? In the sky. Okay. So it says here that the sun, okay, wait. The sun is at the center of our solar system. It is also a giant star. Therefore, the sun is a star. Okay?
Um,
Mm-hmm. Again, I have question for you na.
That.
Okay. What can we see in the sky? What can we see in the sky again? We can see the moon, the stars, the planets, and the sun, right? Yes, okay. So now I have a question. What is a solar system? Do you know solar system? Do you know so? Okay. The sun can be seen at the solar system. What else? What else do you know about solar system?
No.
No more? Okay. So a solar system is a solar system is a group of planets and moons that all travel around the sun. Again, in the solar system, we can see the moon, stars, the sun, and the planets. Okay, Mai? I have a question for you
Okay.
now. I have a question for you. What do you call the planet that we are living on?
The Earth.
The Earth. Very good. Okay. The solar system, we consider different planets, including our planet, which is Earth. Now, how many planets do we have in our solar system?
Oh.
How many planets we have in our solar system? We have how many
Wow.
planets? We have Ani? Yes, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, Mai?
Okay.
Okay, including there is the Earth, our planet Earth. All right, so our solar system was formed around 4.6 billion years ago. Very, very, very long ago. Okay, next.
เกิดมานานมาก
All right, so it says here that the sun is a large star at the center of our solar system. So this is the sun. Okay, so this is the sun, And we have here different planets na. Ani, this is a Mercury. Planet Mercury. So Mercury is the planet which is nearest or closest to the sun. Next one is Venus. Is the second nearest planet. All right. And then our planet Earth. Fourth one is Mars. Mars is also called as red planet because of its red soil. And then another planet here is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest pero alina. Largest planet in our solar system. Largest pero alina.
Taurus.
Largest. Okay, next one is Saturn. Saturn is the only planet that has rings. Okay, this one is the Saturn. It has rings. Okay, last one is the Uranus. Uranus. We cannot see Uranus from Earth without using a telescope. Telescope, pero alay na? It looks like this.
Telescope.
Okay. And then, last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet. Okay, Mai? Okay. So Alright, so I have here some quiz, some items for you to answer. Alright, so what is the name of the planet that we live on? Is it Mercury, Saturn, or Earth?
Mercury.
Again, what is the name of the planet that we live on? Mercury, Saturn, or Earth?
Yeah.
Earth. Okay, correct. Next one. Wait. All right, so what is at the center of our solar system? Is it the Earth, the Sun, or the Moon? Okay. All right, correct. Very good. Next one is, which planet is nearest to the Sun? Mercury, Mars, or Neptune? What do you think? Nearest. Again, is it Neptune or Mercury?
Mercury.
Mercury. Correct. Okay, again, Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. Okay, next question is, what orbits around the Earth? What?
The sun.
What orbits around
The
the
moon.
Earth? What is your final
Moon.
answer? Sun or moon?
Moon.
Are you sure?
Moon.
Are you
Moon.
sure?
Sure.
Let us see. Okay, the moon. Very good. All right. Next question. Next question is, what can you see twinkling